get slimy! Have you ever thought of using slime in your science classroom? We have just the thing for you. Our kit not only has one slime or two slimes, but 3 slimes for you to make with your students. You can make fluffy slime. You can also make crunchy slime. And finally, clear slime. Here are the ingredients to make fluffy slime. You need a big bowl, a big spoon, a tablespoon, PVA glue, shaving foam, cornstarch, baking soda, contact lens solution, and also food coloring. These are the ingredients you need to make crunchy slime. You need a big bowl, a big spoon, a tablespoon, PVA glue, shaving foam, cornstarch, baking soda, contact lens solution, and also food coloring. Don't forget your beads! Here are the ingredients to make clear slime. You need a big bowl, a big spoon, a tablespoon, clear or transparent glue, baking soda, warm water, contact lens solution, food coloring, and also glitter.
This kit is suitable for Year 4 students and above, as Year 4 students in Singapore start learning about properties of materials such as flexibility and transparency. For older students, this kit can be helped to reinforce previous knowledge or review properties of materials. At the end of this activity, students will be able to compare the differences and similarities among the slimes and explore how different materials affect the slime. Here are the points of consideration. 1. Students should wear a mask if the smell of the shaving foam is too strong. 2. Students should not put the slime into their mouth or touch their face. 3. Wear an apron to prevent slime from sticking to their clothes.
The educational concept we are looking at is the properties of materials. The first one is the flexibility of the material. The flexibility of a material is its ability to bend without breaking. In this activity, students will explore the flexibility of each slime. The next one is the transparency of the material. The transparency of a material refers to whether the material allows most or some or no light to pass through. In this activity, students will explore how to make a slime transparent. The last properties of materials we are looking at is the viscosity of the material. The viscosity of a material refers to the resistance of a material to flow. In this activity, students will explore the viscosity of the crunchy slime compared to the fluffy and clear slime.
Here are the scientific skills we can develop in students using this slime kit. The first scientific skill is reasoning skill. This is the skill of identifying similarities and differences between two or more objects. In this slime kit, students will need to identify the similarities and differences between the slimes. The second scientific skill is generating possibilities. This is a skill of exploring all the alternatives, possibilities, and choices beyond the obvious and preferred one. In this slime kit, students will experiment with different materials to explore different proportions of materials affect the slime. The last scientific skill is using apparatus and equipment. This is the skill of knowing the functions and limitations of various apparatus and developing the ability to select and handle them appropriately for various tasks. In this slime kit, students will handle the materials appropriately using the guidelines given while making their slime.
These are some ways to use slime to support students' learning. First, we can have students to measure how far the slime can stretch before it breaks.
Students can also measure the time taken for the slime to hit its breaking point when you let the slime stretch at a certain height.
Also, we can have students to test how many items can slime pick up.
Experiment your slime, testing the viscosity of the slime. What will happen if you add more contact lens solution? What will happen if you add more baking soda? What will happen if you add more cornstarch flour?
We also included some questions in the kit to get students thinking about the properties of the slime.
So, if you want to make learning properties of materials fun for your kids,
What are you waiting for? Let's get slimy!